How to remove shadow ban on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove shadow ban on YouTube. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons channels or accounts can be terminated, such as repeated violations of the community guidelines or the terms of service, and across any form of content like repeatedly posting abusive, hateful, or harassing videos or comments. Next, the channels or accounts dedicated to a policy violation like hate speech, harassment, or impersonation. Other reasons for shadow ban includes user complaints, overdoing tags, fake engagements, forbidden words. So the most effective way to lift the shadow ban is to attract as many subscribers as possible using legal methods of promotion and increase the views. Legal ways of attracting new subscribers are SEO, Google Ads, getting traffic from your website, social media pages, and other web sources, buying ads from bloggers. So, if you suspect you got shadow banned due to user complaints, you need to pay extra attention to working with the audience. Respond constructively to negative comments. You may ask your subscribers what topic they are interested in. This will be a win-to-win situation for both of you. You'll update your content plan in accordance with your audience wishes and increase activity in the comments. So these are a few ways on how you can remove shadow ban on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.